My Life Lately by Ron Mateo.
Welcome to My Life Lately by Ron Mateo. It's our last day of duty with Andrade and good.
One of the best to ever do it.
Here we go again.
Kasi meron na tayong mechanical ventilator ngayon. Meron na tayong pacemaker ngayon. Na kahit may brain waves yung pasyente, tatry pa rin natin i-save yung heart sa yung lungs. Pero,
Hello guys, today is Sunday. It's lunch break namin guys, lunch break. So today guys, may evaluative kami ulit. And look at our new uniform. Wow! Parang logo ng ano to. Isang watawan. Hello guys, nandito na naman kami. Deserve! Score! Magkano yung bill? 600.
900. Yes.
Yung score? 10. Deserve! Dito na naman kami sa aming tambayan. Lunico guys. Our fave. So, hello guys. So, ano masasabi nyo dito? Second try nila dito sa hometown. How is it? Yung coffee nila?
Yung last time na order namin, hindi ko bet. So,
Yeah, mali silang choice ng drink. How about Naya?
Same as LJ. Mali rin yung choice of drink.
Ay, sana nag 7-Eleven na lang tayo. Ang dami nilang reklamo dito sa hometown cafe. Super gastos. Gastador. Goes to. Feeling may mga trabaho. Let's go. Sira pa yung ano ko, clouds. Next stop. Welcome to my life lately by Rod Mateo. Hello vlog! So, nandito kami sa 7 to 7. This is our second coffee for today. I'm with Naya and LJ. How's your drinks?
It's good.
Good? Rate 1 to 10.
6.
8. Mine is... My order is 7 to 7 signature. Ano siya? 9 over 10. Ang sarap siya. Asang lasa yung kape. Hello guys, good morning. It's our first and last day duty. As a student nurse, ayok to. Mamimiss ko tong ramba. Kasama ko si Naya guys, actually. Kasama ko si Naya guys. How do you feel na this is our last, first and last day? Yeah. First and last day. Yeah, first last day pala. Say. Wow, wala pa nga. Pagod agad.
Balance in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
Sabi namin, pampatanggal lang ng uwa. Pero namili pa siya ng brownie. Best gastador goes to LJ. Ang tawa sila sa smile ko. Pinagtitripan nila yung smile ko. Ang tawa sila eh. Happy. Happy. Bye! Bye-bye na kayo. Diba? Katapos magkape doon sa Greatens. Gastador of the month. Grabe. Hello, Lara Panaga.
Hi.
Morning.
Morning. How's your day?
No, it's morning pa lang eh. How do you feel? This is your last.
I feel so overwhelmed.
Why?
I don't think so.
Kapiko. Hello guys, this is our last day of duty with Andrade and Miampa. Guys, first time namin nagkasama sa duty, three of us. Yeah, actually magka-classmate kami since elementary. No, high school only. Yeah. Naka-eyelash extension eh, ma'am. Yari ka. My goodness.
Yes, tanggalin ko na. Pwede tanggalin ko na. I-insert yan, ma'am.
Insert.
Don't second guess me, live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream.
It's break time,
Come a
guys.
little closer,
Break time.
don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I hold you close to me.
Alas GTS na rin. Bye! Hindi na sila makikita sa aking vlog.
For the past 3 years, you were being my group mates.
Thank you, Tita. Pa-birthday. Thank you so much. Galing mo lang ako nag-cutting, guys. Sumakses siya eh. Sumakses siya, guys.
We can find a set,
Within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me.
Inabay ako nila Jessa. Dalawang Jessa. Ano masasabi niyo sa ano natin? Training. Guys, ano na ngayon? Palaspas na.
Palaspas na may review.
Oo, makauwi lang namin. After nito sinawag muna namin.
Sa mga nasabi ko, ito nga pala si Jesus.
Medyo din ako nung guys.
second guess them, don't second guess me.
Yeah. So, pauwi na kami guys. Bye! Pakikat to direct.
Cut.
Thank you for the free ice cream. Free ice cream. Hello guys, so on the way ako sa Samag ulit dun sa pinagkabihan ko kahapon, pero nakakasama ko sa Lagit yun sila LJ, Naya and Kimpoy. Today is Monday, Thursday and magkakape kami nila Naya. Init dito, pinaparusahan na tayo. Init. CR namin, guys. Parang andito yung Encantadia eh. Look at this. Super ganda. Wow. Masarap dito, guys. Guys, lasing sila lahat. Update. We're not lasing. I'm not lasing. Lasing sila, guys. Ako lang hindi. Get it. Break time, guys. Ang review namin. Nasa palengke na kami ng Balanga. Bibili kami ng mga kalamay. Everything. Wow, ganito pala sa Balanga. Feeling. Wow, ito siya, guys, oh. May bring hair, may maha. Masaya pala dito pag Sunday.
Okay, 4 p.m. below ang mga.
Wow.
Tanungin na natin kung sino yung sinedya kanina. Ano yung score? Anong score po na tawag nyo? 41. Sino yan? Karen May Lopez.
Wow! Hello, guys. Nandito kami sa Happy Fiesta! Naki-fiesta kami kala LJ, guys. So, dito kami sa Coco para mamili ng passion fruit tea, my favorite.
What's your order?
Passion fruit tea.
Tangi, where are we? Is it yummy? Did you like it? Yummy?
Hello, guys. Tapos na yung finals namin sa disaster.
Yung iba, papalit-palit na sila ng hairstyle. Tapos tayo, Thank you so